Children, today I'm going to show a simple landscape. Okay, so what is the material required is we need scale, we need watercolor tubes. If you don't have watercolor tubes, you can use even the poster colors or watercolor cakes, anything, whatever you have available, or Rangila colors also you can use it. Okay, then small plate, palette, if you have palette, or take some plate. Then take brushes, any brushes you can take, and small bowl for water. Okay, now let's start. So here we are going to do with hot colors. So what are hot colors? Hot colors are nothing but red, orange, yellow. These three are called as hot colors. Okay, so I'm going to take some paint into this, little bit only. Okay, then I'm going to take little bit of orange here, and then yellow, I'm taking very little bit of colors, right? See here, once you take it, I forgot to tell you, we have to take even the waste cloth. You have to clean your brush after every time you use it. Okay, then take some water, you can see here, take some water and mix it in red color. Okay, after making like this, then clean your brush and take some water, mix it in orange. Okay, after doing like this, clean your palette again, clean your brush again, then take some water, mix it in yellow. Okay, now we'll start. See here, first take red and start coloring it like this. It has to be really light when you do it. Okay, can you see, children? It has to be light. Then take orange, mix everything. Mix all the colors. Okay, after completing orange, okay, now we are going to take yellow. See here, see my hands, how I'm moving my hands, how the brush movement is. Okay, can see three colors? Yes. Now next we are going to take brown. Okay, we'll take little brown. See here, I'm going to take brown and ochre. I'm going to mix these two colors. What did I mix? Ochre and brown. Okay, see, now see here, from down you're going to hold your like this, and from up to down. Okay, then fill this place with brown color, as you can see, with brown color. So you must have understood we are doing like it a tree. Then see, if you can't do it directly with the brush, you can first draw with pencil, and then on that with the brush you can do it. Okay, understood? Now clean your brush, pipe it, and then take green color, dark green. I'm taking dark green. After taking dark green, take little bit of water and start mixing. Little bit of water. Now here I'm going to show you some strokes directly with the brush. Okay, take green. After you take green, see here, your brush, you have to move it like this. See, in a circular rotation motion. See here, your brush, you should move it like this. Do you see? Keep it like this and rotate it in round direction. Okay, I'm doing it like that. See, just dabbing it on this. Can you see, children, how I'm doing it? Just dabbing it on that. Okay, once again we'll do it. See here, take green color, your brush like this, straight, and rotate it like this. Okay, then if you see some gaps will be there. With that only you'll get stroke. Do it again. Okay, then take the same green color, okay, and down, you see here, okay. Then again we'll take green color and same, we'll do it on the other side also. See, okay. Now clean your brush again. To clean your brush and wiping. It's very, very important to do this. Fine. Now after this, see, this is like a grass. If you want to do it some flowers on that, okay, dip it into red color. Just rotate your brush like this. See, as if some flowers are there on this. Okay. Okay, children. Understood? Now see, next what you have to do. Again, clean your brush. Wipe it. Now, I'm going to take black color. I'm taking black into a palette and mixing it. See here. Take a little bit of water and mix it. After mixing it, take the paper. See. You can just do the outline. Little bit water, you can take it. As the summer season, your paints will get dry very soon. So you can keep going on taking some water. Like this. If you don't have a flat brush with crayon or with oil pastels, also you can just give the outline. So we completed with the 3 sides. You'll see the 4th side. So here is your painting ready. Can you see it? See. Okay. Then we'll write your name. Either you can write with white crayon you can take and you can write it here, or you should have a different style for that, right? So see here, how am I writing? See, so you can create your own style to do this. Okay, so did you understand this technique? Yes. So once again I'm going to repeat. First we took colors. We took hot colors, red, or if you don't have red or pink shade, then orange, then yellow. Okay, after that we took brown. First I did the tree outline, and then with green color and with brush we just did the strokes, and finally we gave outline with black color. Okay, so what you people have to do is After completing this, okay, you have to do one more painting. Okay, one more painting using this technique. So different tree, instead of like this, you can do a different tree. Okay children, okay then, bye.